Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I am Ankita Narula, a digital marketing expert, and in today's video I will be talking about the necessary criteria or the parameter that you need to consider before choosing any digital marketing course. So if you are a beginner or if you are already into this industry and you want to upskill yourself, before you decide the digital marketing course कौन से institute से करना है, there are some criteria or parameters that you should be keeping in mind so that you can take a best decision for yourself. So आइए देखते हैं what are the criteria. The first is the duration of the course. Is the course somewhere between a few months or 1 year? Then what is the level of the course? Is it basic or is it the advanced course? Is the institute giving you the latest tools related to AI or automation or anything which is latest into the industry? Then placement assistance is being provided by the institute or not, and what is the success rate or what is the guarantee level that they are committing for placement. Then job opportunities का क्या success ratio है, and also what kind of job roles are you going to get after you complete the course. Then what is the expected starting salary as per the institute commitment. आपको क्या starting salary मिल सकती है, and if you're already into the industry आप upskill करके किस level तक जा सकते हो. Also, what is the fee structure? Is there an option to pay through EMI? Is the fees refundable? If you don't like the course, is it refundable? Is it non-refundable? क्या policies हैं institute की? Then, is there an availability of the course brochure? Is the institute very transparent to you कि वो क्या क्या modules order करेंगे, कि वो क्या क्या modules offer करेंगे, क्या tools offer करेंगे, what is it that they are going to teach you in depth. Also, what all tools are they going to be covering in the course? Are they offering latest tools or not? तो इन क्राइटेरिया के बेसिस पे आई एम गोइंग टू रिव्यू टू इंस्टीट्यूट्स टुडे. सो आइए देखते हैं. सबसे पहले आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट IIM स्किल्स. सो as you can see, I am on the website of IIM Skills, and यहाँ पे I can see that they are offering online digital marketing course, and they are giving 100% placement assistance, short-term, long-term online course. The course duration is somewhere between 3 to 7 months with paid internships, which is like a very good opportunity for beginners especially. And 3 to 7 months of the course duration is pretty fair to learn any new skill. And paid internships है, so that is an added benefit for freshers and beginners to start earning and also get industry. So as I move ahead, I can see that there are 3 levels of the courses being offered by this institute. First module is giving you the first level of the course is giving you all the basic modules which are offered by any institute offering digital marketing course. This is 3 months, and also there is 2 months of paid internship. So all the modules that I can see here are something which every institute offers. But what I can see here is that marketing automation, which is a necessity of any digital business, तो वो यहाँ पे ये कवर कर रहे हैं marketing automation. And also they are giving you knowledge and practical experience related to interview preparation. So people who are new to the industry or people who are switching their career and who are willing to go for a job and not into their own business, this institute is giving you complete knowledge on how to prepare for the interview. Then if I go to the next level, they are covering everything from the first level of the course plus everything that is new into the industry. That is AI के बारे में ये पूरी knowledge दे रहे हैं. I can see that they are giving you ads on OTT platform, native advertising, everything that is trending or that is upgraded in the industry. Also, they are giving you international freelancing knowledge. So, as I have seen, कि beginners या फिर people who want to get into freelancing often struggle with this one thing कि freelancing में clients कैसे ढूंढे या फिर international market कैसे tap करें. So, this institute is giving you complete knowledge on this also. And when I talk about the next level, that is leadership program, यहाँ पे they are giving you complete knowledge of everything that you are getting in any course, but they are also helping you with agency creation, which is like I see rarely any institute teaching you hands-on knowledge of agency, of how you can create your own digital marketing agency. And also the supporting modules कि आपको finances कैसे manage करने हैं, budget कैसे decide करना है, all of it is being taught by IIM Skills, which is like recommended, must recommended for any student who wants to go for their own agency setup. Then as I can see यहाँ पे दो batches they are offering, Saturday batch and weekdays batch. So clearly it is clearly seen that this course is for students, it is for working professionals, it is for housewives, females, anybody beginner already into the industry, because they are giving you two time slots, two options to opt for the course. So clearly anybody can get into this, any one of the batch. Then as we move ahead, they are telling you about the duration of each course and the fees of each course. Now as you can see, the first level is 3 months, the next level is 6 months. So only within 3 months they are giving you 3 months extra, but there is no major difference in the fees. That is, they are giving you so much added knowledge with only a less amount above the basic level of the course. Then all the tools are being covered. Every tool that is necessary to learn this skill-based course is there. It is being offered by this institute. What I see different is they are giving you knowledge of the latest AI tools also, which is not there with every institute. Then eligibility criteria, how to get into the admission and everything आप check कर सकते हो with the institute. It is also being mentioned here. What are the case studies, etc. Then what I see different here is, and what I see fascinating here is that you are getting internships up to 20,000 rupees. That is, if you are doing a course of 35,000 or 50,000 and you are getting internships up to 20,000, then it is definitely a win-win situation for you. That is, you are getting the knowledge, that you are getting the skills, and आप internship में अपना most of the fees जो है वो cover up कर सकते हो by doing a paid internship. So this is a win-win situation for anyone. Then work from home या freelancing opportunities के बारे में भी, as I told, they are giving you complete knowledge. If I talk about the hiring partners, you can see that these are like amazing brands are their hiring partners, and also I see some Fortune 500 companies being listed here like Accenture, and these companies are their hiring partners. So do check with the institute that what level of job or what job roles you can get into after completing what level of the course. Then coming to the next segment, they are giving you a complete knowledge of what certificates they are offering, what are your certificate going to look like. So these are going to definitely add like 5 stars to your resume, and they will set you apart from any other candidate coming for a new job role. Then past placement, students कौन सी companies में place हुए and what job role have they been upgraded to, यहाँ पे clearly mentioned है. And when you move ahead, you also see the ratings and reviews from the previous students who have done digital marketing course. So you can check reviews on Google, you can check reviews on Trustpilot to check the authenticity of the reviews. So all in all, I will say that this is a recommended course, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारी different चीजें मैं देख रही हूँ which are trending in the industry, and they are being offered by this institute. So do check out the details for the institute. Contact the institute if you are interested. A recommendation from my side. Now let's move to the another institute, that is IIDE, which is again very popular institute for digital marketing. अब हम इसकी बात करते हैं. As you can see, I am on the website of IIDE and I can see that they are also offering online digital marketing courses. So again, working professionals, female students, सबके लिए online courses are suitable. Then they are offering a course from duration of 4.5 to 6.5 months. Again, a fair duration to learn any new skill. Then you can explore the course details and download the brochure to check with what all levels of courses they are offering. As I can see here, advanced certification, professional certification, the duration is changed. Then this is ID for students, this is ID for working professionals. So they are offering something which is like uh, two two level based. So something which is for the beginners and something which is for the working professionals. So you will have to check with the institute which level is most suitable for you. Moving ahead, we can see that the students have been placed in what companies and they have been upgraded to what level of job role in the industry. Then अगर हम आगे बढ़े और देखें that these are some of the reviews by the previous students. So you can again check detailed reviews on Google and other websites to check the authenticity of the reviews. वो आप बाद में check कर सकते हैं. And you can download the brochure And you can see that they have also given a list of the industry experts who are going to be mentoring you for the course. Syllabus, the detailed structure of the course is being given here. I can see all the basic modules covered by every institute. यहाँ पे आपको clearly सिखा रहे हैं सारे modules. And when we move ahead, the certifications that are being offered, how they will look like is clearly shown. Then what are the tools being covered? I see all of the tools which are necessary for this skill are being given by this institute. And moving ahead, the companies, the brand partners where you can get placed. So you can talk with the institute कि आपको कौन से level पे कौन से institute में कौन से level पे कौन से brand में job मिल सकती है once you are done with the course. So आप details जो हैं institute से check कर सकते हैं. And again talking about the two levels, उनकी fees, उनके duration, EMI plans and everything is being mentioned here. आप institute से directly भी contact करके details पता कर सकते हैं. So, according to my recommendation, I have given a link of the best course as per my knowledge in the description box. Do check it out and I will see you in the next video.